Guys, remember I showed you when I bought this from Temu. I have used it before and I wasn't impressed, but let me use it again so that you people can see. And this, you can tell that this is not a hard thing. This is just tomato, pepper and onion and garlic that I had already pre-cooked. I want to see how this will blend it. And of course, it's not supposed to give me stress, but let's see. It's going to blend it well or not. I don't want to add water. I don't want to. It's not supposed to have water at all. Because if I add water now, it will affect the shelf life of whatever I have here. So let's see. So apparently it needs water. Let me add some water. Why is it stopping now? I don't even want this thing to be smoothly blended. I don't want it smoothly blended, but this is not helping me. Hmm? Well, because I have added water, I need to cook it again before I put it in the fridge so that I can dry the water. But guys, overall, I'm not rating this thing anything better. It was supposed to be able to crush things according to them. Now it doesn't really move. The blade doesn't really move, you know, very well to be able to stir things up, down. You need to be helping it by yourself. And at the end of the day, it doesn't go around. You know, the other ones it will blend. The ones that are reachable to eat, it blends them very well, but it doesn't go around. And by the time you're waiting for it to go around, you would have blended it smoother than what you want. But this is because this is vegetable too. Blend any other thing that is a bit hard, it won't work. So let's